What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are here inside the garage, guys, because we got a new package right back there for the F-150. Now this package right there is actually going to finish off the exhaust setup that I'm currently running, guys. As you all know, in my previous video, I put on a Flowmaster 40 series muffler on the F-150 3.3 liter, and I think, in my opinion, it's been pretty cool. It's very nice. I like it. The cold starts are more vicious than ever, and I think we need to spruce up the tailpipe because it's a stock tailpipe. Remember, I only replaced the muffler. So that's what that package is right there, and we have to do some modifications to the piping just to finish it off. Alright, boys and girls, let's go ahead and see what Santa Claus, or actually package delivery guy, brought for me today. But in reality, aren't all package delivery guys pretty much the modern day Santas, the adult version of him? Oh yeah. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this thing. Now, obviously, it is a exhaust tip. Please note the manufacturer's warranty on this product covers defects in materials. Blah 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 blah. And oh yeah, look at that. What does that say? MBRP ink. That is awesome. Look at exhaust tip, boys. Obviously, I got it in black because the F-150 is going through a transition of going from white to black, the good old MJ transition. So guys, that is that. We have the exhaust tip in black, ready to be installed. We have the STI in the way, so we're gonna have to pop this guy out and bring in the F-150. Alright, boys, I haven't driven this car in about a couple of months, maybe even longer than that. So I don't think it's gonna turn on, but we'll see. Battery's probably cooked. Come on, Subaru! Shit! Battery's cooked, guys. We're gonna have to push this thing back here. And good thing the black truck's right there because we can probably just give it a nice jump from there. Waste of time. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. But I kind of want it out here, sticking out like that much. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. Black tailpipe. I'll probably make it go all the way up to here. The rest of the tailpipe, it's that metal alloy. I don't like that. It looks tacky with the black and alloy. So what we have to solution this, high heat Rust-Oleum spray paint. You want to make sure it's high heat, otherwise your truck's gonna be spitting out flames, but the wrong kind of flames. So we're gonna paint this. This is obviously in flat black. Can you see that? Flat black to match this, even though this is like a satin black. But either way, we want this to be black and black to have a nice uniform look. So step one, boys and girls, is to go ahead and grab some sandpaper, 100 grit, 120 grit. Should be good enough to do it. And then just try to get off as much as you can. Just make the tailpipe as smooth as possible to have a better adhesion with the paint. And then I'll show you guys step two. There we go. Don't inhale that stuff. Go ahead and just clean it off with water for now. Clean all that off. As of now, we sanded it down. I hit it with 120 grit. Did a pretty good job. Now bear in mind, this is a 2018, so the tailpipe isn't really in the worst condition. Just a bit of dirt and not even any rust or anything because it's actually pretty good shape. Once we've sanded it down with 120 grit, I went ahead and got some water and some paper towels and just gave it a nice clean until all of that, majority of it's off. Once you've hit it with water and paper towels, just let it sit and dry for a little bit and then hit it with some alcohol. I have here the Rich Person's alcohol. It's sort of a mixed, has a scent to it. Honestly, I don't even have the regular alcohol, but that's supposed to be able to do it. This, you know, might as well use it. I have it on hand. Alcohol, paper towels, and give it that last clean, and then hit it with that high heat. Alright guys, next up I have some plastic and some tape painter's tape here. So what you want to do is grab the plastic, cut it enough, cover up anything you don't want to get painted. That's what I'm trying to say. Once you have that up, then we can go ahead and shake the spray can and attack. Alright guys, I'm actually pretty amazed with my prep work. I set up plastic all around the exhaust pipe. Whatever I don't want to get painted, I covered up. For stuff like this, I think I'm just going to use a little cardboard thing to cover it up. That little, what do you call that? This thing right here. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, exhaust is so clean. Let's go ahead and start spray painting. Now it's okay if we go thick on this, though it don't matter. Alright boys, it's been approximately 45 minutes and the exhaust is just looking, oh my goodness, brilliant, beautiful. Look at that. One more coat and it should look good. In person guys, it's flat black, but maybe on the camera it's going to look white or grayish or something like that. But do not worry, this is actually flat black. It is beautiful and I think it's gorgeous with the exhaust tip. Alright people, the second and final coat has been applied and dried and it looks beautiful. So smooth. Alright, once you finished up with the last coat and everything's been dried properly, go ahead and turn on your vehicle for about 5 to 10 minutes and just let it run so that the paint can go ahead and shell itself over the exhaust. Okay boys, last and final bit is putting on a tailpipe. I think right there is good enough. Let's go ahead and tighten her down. Well, bad news boys, this exhaust tip isn't actually going to work for my truck. As you can see, I kind of already maxed it out and there's still quite a bit of play. So fortunately, I honestly thought all the tailpipes, the piping was the same diameter and everything. That is the unfortunate bit guys. It would have looked so nice if I had this on, but unfortunately it's just not gonna work. What a shame. Damn it guys, all that work. Well, at least as soon as I get the proper fitting exhaust tip, we can just throw it on and it will be complete. Honestly, I thought this was gonna fit. I thought it was. I guess I didn't do my math right. It's not for XLs. You should have a 3-inch tailpipe. I thought that one should fit. It's adjustable, but it was not to be guys. How to paint your tailpipe. Pretty simple process guys. Stay tuned when I get a different exhaust tip. I'm just gonna return that one, get something else. If you enjoyed the video guys, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. All that is greatly appreciated. Any questions at all guys, leave them down in the comments. I'll be happy to address anything you might have. I'll catch y'all guys on the next one. Peace and take care.